How to install Apollo Group TV on Roku. I'm going to tell you how, or is it actually possible to get Apollo Group TV on Roku. As of today, Apollo Group TV is not yet available in Roku channel store. That means you cannot install it directly. So you can just do it by screen mirroring on your Roku. On your Roku home screen, go to Settings, System, Screen Mirroring, and select Always Allow. On Android, open Settings, Cast, select your Roku and start streaming Apollo Group TV. On Windows PC, press Windows plus K, choose Roku, and mirror your screen. You may also use an alternative streaming device. Since Roku does not support APK installations, you can use a Fire Stick, an Android TV box, or Chromecast, which allow direct installations of Apollo Group TV.